Nexo value expectation outline. Nexo certainly is expected to sort of arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $2.12 constantly 2025. Long-haul examination proposes that Nexo cost might actually flood to $977.93 by 2050, with an in every practical sense possible reach somewhere in the range of $943.17 and $1,077.32, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Nexo in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $12.97 mark, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The negative cost expectation for Nexo in 2040 is $596.70, with an in every practical sense likely exceptionally high of $732.92 in a huge manner. Ongoing information shows Nexo especially is exchanging at $0.9056. Starting around 06 January 2024, Nexo especially is exchanging at $0.9056 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.1% in certainly most recent 60 minutes, which in a real sense is very critical. Nexo sort of has an especially all-out market cap of $507,134,087, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,061,516 in an especially significant manner. This especially makes Nexo especially positioning at 105 in the cryptographic money market, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. In the event that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2024, what will Nexo by and large be somewhat worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Is Nexo a generally excellent venture or worth purchasing in 2024 incredibly? Will Nexo value sort of outperform its unsurpassed high amazingly? These are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, which for the most part is very huge. Nexo value expectation 2024, as per the Nexo gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2024 the Nexo cost in every practical sense is supposed to generally cross a normal value level of $1.29, the normal truly least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to be $1.25 in a really significant manner. Besides, Nexo can explicitly arrive at a really greatest value level of $1.54 in an exceptionally significant manner. Nexo value conjecture January 2024. In January 2024, the cost of Nexo is determined to be at around a very least worth of $0.8769 in an unpretentious manner. The Nexo value worth can explicitly arrive at an especially limit of $0.9865, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.9591 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Nexo value gauge February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of Nexo for the most part is supposed to sort of be at around a kind of least of $0.9513. Nexo cost can generally arrive at a limit of $1.03, with the really normal cost of $0.9879 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Nexo value conjecture Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the by and large greatest cost for Nexo could especially stretch around $1.07. Moreover, the minimum cost of Nexo in Walk 2024 fundamentally is $0.9620, with an especially normal cost of $1.01 in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo value gauge April 2024. In April 2024, the kind of greatest cost for Nexo could in every practical sense stretch around $1.12. Besides, the minimum cost of Nexo in April 2024 in every practical sense is $1 with a sort of typical cost of $1.05. Nexo value conjecture May 2024. The Nexo figure for May 2024 expects that the Nexo may generally arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of $1.17, with a kind of least cost of around $1.03, showing how might Nexo cost fundamentally outperform its unsurpassed extremely high incredibly. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value Nexo can stretch around $1.08 for May, or so they in every practical sense thought. Nexo value conjecture June 2024. The kind of normal cost of Nexo could go to $1.10 toward the finish of June 2024 in a sort of significant manner. Nexo could for the most part be exchanging around a greatest worth of $1.22, with the sort of least expected cost of $1.06 in an unpretentious manner. Nexo value expectation July 2024. Nexo cost for the most part is supposed to by and large reach between $1.09 to $1.28 in July 2024, while the in every practical sense, normal cost of Nexo for the July basically remains around $1.12. Nexo value forecast August 2024. The cost of Nexo truly is fundamentally anticipated to in a real sense reach at a for the most part least worth of $1.10 in August 2024, which really is very huge. The Nexo cost could truly arrive at a most extreme worth of $1.32, with the typical exchanging worth of $1.15 all through 2024 in a significant manner. Nexo value estimate September 2024. The sort of normal cost of Nexo could generally go to $1.19 toward the finish of September 2024, which for the most part is very critical. Nexo could in a real sense exchange around a most extreme worth of $1.37, with the sort of least expected cost of $1.15. Nexo value forecast October 2024. The cost of Nexo sort of is anticipated to sort of reach at a genuinely least worth of $1.17 in October 2024 in an unpretentious way. The Nexo cost could truly arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $1.43, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $1.22 all through 2024 in a fundamentally huge manner. Nexo value expectation November 2024. The cost for Nexo in November 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $1.23 and $1.47, so the negative cost expectation for Nexo in 2040 really is $596.70, with a truly likely sort of high of $732.92. While the typical exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $1.26. Nexo value conjecture December 2024. The Nexo cost for December 2024 may explicitly arrive at a really least worth of $1.25, while the kind of most extreme gauge cost basically is around $1.54 in a genuinely significant manner. The sort of typical cost for Nexo essentially is in a real sense anticipated to especially reach $1.29 in December 2024. Nexo by and large past value examination in the precise beyond 24 hours, the crypto especially has been in a real sense diminished by 1.55% in its genuinely current worth. On the off chance that we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. From most recent 7 days the Nexo really was in kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 6.15%, which is very huge. Nexo essentially has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be great chance to by and large dive right in and contribute, so assuming that we look at the very current